I'm going to teach you to make an expert system using Expert System Builder. When you downloaded the files from the internet, it actually downloaded 3 programs: Expert System Builder Question Editor, Expert System Builder Knowledge Acquisition, and Expert System Builder User Interface. We're going to be using the question editor first. Since you've already participated in discussions 1, 2, and 3 on Blackboard, you should already have a good idea of what your problem or issue is going to be. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use the simple question of, am I a frog? When I'm building my questions, I'm going to tailor my questions around that to answer that question. So first what I'm going to do is type in under Knowledge Engineer question, questions that will lead me to believe I am a frog or I'm not a frog. For example, I'm going to say, are you green? I'm going to make sure that I select single here to keep the analysis simple. I'm going to select copy KE question to user question because that is what the user is going to actually see when they answer the questions. The 1 and 2 are the different options. I'm going to keep this real simple and just leave the options as yes or no. If you'd like to have additional options, you can select options and add an option and it'll add another option. Or if you don't need it, you can remove the option. Select next for the next question. Do you hop? Yes or no? Next question. Do you eat flies? You can add as many questions as you'd like. When you're done, you save your questions. Make sure you add all your responses. So save the questions, make sure you remember where you save them, and I'm just going to name them test questions. The next step is using the knowledge acquisition. You're going to build records for all possible outcomes. My possible outcomes are real simple, meaning that I will just have the outcome of yes, I'm a frog, or no, I'm not a frog. And it'll give me the probability based on how I answer here. What I'm going to do is load my questions and select a new record. I'm going to name this, you are a frog. And it'll pull up all the questions that you created, and you answer any question that would lead you to believe that you are a frog. So, are you green? Yes. Do you hop? Yes. Do you eat flies? Yes. When you're done, click Save Record. Select a new record. Name it No, You Are Not a Frog. Select OK and associate any questions that lead you to believe that you are not a frog. Are you green? No. Do you hop? No. Do you eat flies? No. Save your record. Since I have saved all of my questions and all of my records, I am now ready to use my interface. So you go to the user interface and you load the questions that you created, and it'll pull them up, and this is what the user is going to actually see based on what you create. So based on what I answer, it's going to give me the probability of whether I'm a frog or not. Are you green? Yes. Next question, do you hop? Yes. Next question, do you eat flies? Yes. And when it comes to the end of your questions, it's going to pull up a record that gives you the % confidence, and it's going to say 100% confident that you are a frog. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and good luck building your expert system.